Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you these swimming goggles. These are from Dan Young and Dive series. It costed me around $1.5 and all the tested according to international standard. Everything is written over here, and these are not for child below 3. It's written over here. I don't know whether it's visible to you or not, because it will be bigger for them, so not suitable for child. So let's not waste much time. And over here they've mentioned that it is made in China. So let's open it and see how it actually looks like. So this is the beautiful box of it. As you can see, child, they have over here, they have mentioned 0 to 6 made in China. And they have mentioned this cross means below 6 you can't wear this. So that's their aim to say. And you need to open it from this side like this. God, it's really tight. I don't know why it's not getting open. Oh, over here, these corners, it's locked. So you just need to plug this corner up. It's really tight, guys. Yeah, now it's open. So this is how it looks like. You need to put it in your eyes and then go and swimming, and by this band you can adjust it also as per your head shape and size. So it's really cool. And friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe. And if you swim, go and purchase these are very comfortable for your eyes, and it's very good deal. In $1.5, it's really good deal. So go and purchase it. Thank you friends, bye bye, take care, love you all.